Hey guys, to all the people listening out there, welcome to my new video in which I'll just take you through all the digital marketing fundamentals. So this is the video for people looking to learn anything new on digital marketing, new trends, insights, how to set up campaigns, and the brief insights of what digital marketing is, what population size it is, and all the nitty-gritties of you to launch any particular digital marketing campaign on any new paid platform. तो ये वीडियो सबके लिए है जो सीखना चाहते हैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या होता है, कहाँ से होता है, कैसे होता है और क्यों करते हैं और इससे आपको फायदा क्या होता है. So let's start with it. So just to give an overview of digital marketing is just a technique in which different devices connect with each other and engage with customers on internet. So it's just a basic, sophisticated, effective way to create relationship between the customer and the data. So in this way, you get to know how you can engage online with customers through different particular platforms using the artificial intelligence through all the paid platforms, whether it be search, Google Display, Facebook marketing, or anything. So in simple terms, digital marketing is the most effective way or the effective platform digitally, electronically, through internet to reach your audience online to to meet your objectives similarly. Okay, so why digital marketing? So there are different ways of why to use it. So ये question आपके मन में आता होगा क्यों digital marketing use करना है? Just to improve, your own digital network, to generate leads, to create your online presence for brands like जिसके साथ मैंने काम किया है like Colgate, Patanjali. So they work on different KPIs like reach, like views, maximum subscribers. So different projects are different, methods or the KPIs to reach out to. किसी का व्यूज़ होता है, किसी का ऐप इंस्टॉल्स होता है, किसी का ब्रांड अवेयरनेस होता है, किसी को ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा चाहिए, किसी को लीड्स चाहिए, किसी को नेटवर्क बनाना है, किसी को वेबसाइट पे अपना ट्रैफिक लाना है. ट्रैफिक इन द सेंस, आई मीन, इन सिंपल टर्म्स, टू जनरेट अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल कमिंग टू द वेबसाइट. सो उससे एडसेंस यूज कर सो यू कैन अर्न मनी. सो हाउ टू अर्न मनी, दैट्स इन डिफरेंट स्पेस ऑल टुगेदर. आई विल ऑल्सो टेक यू थ्रू देम. You will also learn how to start your network and build your own network, build your own platform, build your own presence online. So how to earn money, that's a whole big segment जो आप भी कर सकते हो. Just look into my videos, learn it across. It is very similar to that. Okay, coming back to why to use digital marketing. So it's again connecting with different customers online. So simple. Digital marketing is why to use for you as a customer, as a client, or as a freelancer to connect to those people online who are looking for your services, to those people online who are looking for to uh, take some things as a service in which आपको revenue मिल सकता है. It can be even a sale of particular product. It can even be sale of particular service, anything, right? So in brief, just to meet all your services online. It's nothing that कि आपको बाजार जाना हो या कुछ online कुछ भी खरीदना हो, you can just come online. And the best method is it's targeted communication. So it's nothing like that कि आपने बस बैनर लगा दिया रोड पे and everyone is seeing that. You can target a particular person. You, for example, if you want to target your own course online to people who are looking to learn Facebook marketing, you can target to the people who are searching for courses online and who are searching for Facebook marketing and who are also willing to spend online. So there are different channels of communicating. So in a nutshell, this is the best platform to reach your audiences online at the most effective cost. Okay, so coming to the next slide. So there are some facts and figures to it. So how many internet users are there? That's 2 to 3 billion plus, and most of them are Indians. As you all know, we are a population of 1.4 billion plus Indians, and currently 1.2 billion plus people are using Facebook across. So there are different platforms in which all the people are differently. Facebook has 1 billion plus users, Google has 3 million plus networks and sites, Yahoo has 1 million plus users, unique users of active users monthly, and so on. So that's again data, and just the data I want to show here क्योंकि ये सब के through आप खुद जान सकते हो which platform works for you, which platforms are not. Okay, so in brief, what are the digital marketing channels? There are different types, but majorly मैंने कुछ point out किया है जिस type के channels हो सकते हैं जो most effective होते हैं in terms of major usage. So that's SEO, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, that's Google search ads, that's pay per click, email marketing, social media marketing, इसके अंदर Twitter advertisement, Instagram advertisement, Facebook advertisement, WhatsApp advertisement are the major source of social media marketing. LinkedIn marketing is again for professional users. Then viral marketing in terms of make a viral campaign that can be from influencers. Affiliate marketing that can be emailers, SMS marketing जो आपके मोबाइल फोन्स पे आते रहते हैं, as again that can be targeted. Mobile marketing and online video marketing. For example, this is the type of online video marketing. If I make a video and promote it to my relevant users online, that's video marketing. Few examples of search and marketing, you can just see the highlighted yellow ones icons here. So these are the paid ads, right? And these are without the ad segment here. This is the ad segment in yellow. Today you can just see green sometimes also somewhere. And this is the search and optimized SEO content here. These are without the ads. These are non-paid ads. So these are just the backend work. It involves a lot of backend work such as on page, off page, technical issues, web page issues, website load time, anything and everything. So for this, it's just the whole technicalities you have to use, and you will sit with your developer, you will sit with your website administrator, and also the backend things to enable your website to stand and generate, come on the first page with respect to all the adhering to the Google Pad policies and Google, updates and all. And these are the paid ads. ये जितना अच्छा campaign करोगे, quality score उतनी आएगी, उतनी अच्छी आपको rank मिलेगी. So in a nutshell, this is it, right? What is social media network? Again, it's a network in which people who are connected in social networks simply, that may be Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp. So through social media networking, we can again create campaigns similarly to all different paid platforms. The best case here is again the cost per reach is very less. You can reach out to people who are interested in their interests. You can target them in terms of geo, in terms of device, in terms of the behavioral aspects, in terms of what they like, what they do not like, in and out everything. So again, this is the one of the most effective mediums nowadays in terms of reach and cost. The best usage use case here can be, you can just target the people and the students who are looking for online courses again, or looking to join any institute or college. You can just run your lead ad example. So you can generate a leads as an ad, so and generate leads for people who are interested to join anything or any course or looking for a job. And after that is the post purchase sales conversion. You can just take them and validate the leads. Web analytics, once you have accumulated all the campaigns and the data and the leads, you can just use any paid or non-paid analytics tool. For example, the most effective use in India is Google Analytics. You can just churn out data and analyze it, process it, and use it for reporting for across. So in a nutshell, a simple tool, uh, paid a simple tool you can just use across platforms, whether a single campaign is running on Facebook, either on Google search, either on Instagram. So this is the analytics tool, a platform in which you can see all together which all platforms work well, which all platforms generated the most sessions, which all sessions, I mean, which all platforms generated the most traffic, the visitors from the paid campaign, which all campaigns and platforms really worked. So one shot tool to just analyze and measure all the campaigns at once at one time, and effectively measure out which worked and which not worked. Okay, so again, mobile app marketing, while app marketing, affiliate marketing, I just explained what it is. So affiliate marketing are those marketing campaigns which you run with different publishers to just reach out to effective people online in their networks and also earn commission. This is again a later part of the stage. I'm just briefing all the top models here so that we can just frame by frame explain in detail, and you can just एक साथ आपको ना आए एक एक करके समझो, and you can just churn out the most effective process of learning and use it for own use as a learning, as a method to grow, as a method to grow your own clients, as a method even in the near future to become a freelancer and earn money. Okay, so this was just a short introduction of what fundamental digital marketing is. So here we covered all the digital marketing platforms, what are digital marketing platforms, data हर जगह कितने available हैं, और किस टाइप के एडवर्टाइजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, एनालिटिक्स टूल क्या होता है. So we can just go through all these things in detail in this particular PDF or the video, and also you can just contact or comment on this section here below, or you can just message me anytime, so we can just collaborate for more discussions for learning platforms or anything you are learning. If you're a student or you're already running your own campaigns, you can just knock off for any questions or queries. We can just sync it together and just collaborate to run more effective campaigns. So just comment, like, follow, and stay tuned to learn more. Okay, take care, stay safe.